Hey folks, Adam here. Welcome to Earthbound. In today's adventure, I'm solo hiking and camping along a stream in the Virginia mountains. As you can tell, it's a little cold out here, but that's not stopping me from having a good time. Come along for the ride. All right, folks, so I have scouted out my campsite, figured out where I'm going to stay tonight. I'm not going to set up yet. I have the safety of my vehicle. I'm going to leave it all locked up. I'm going to go on this little day hike up to Apple Orchard Falls, and then we'll come back down, get set up, and we'll camp tonight. Man, that's pretty. This is a beautiful little trail, very peaceful. I haven't seen a single person, like not even in a car, I don't know, for like 15 miles before I even got here. Pretty crazy. Feels like I got the whole forest to myself. Looks like I'm going into the snow. Oh man, look at this. Look what I'm walking into. Absolutely gorgeous. Looks like we met back up with the creek. I am starting to lose the path. Whoa. It looks like we're starting to climb. I assume this is the path. If it weren't for these blue blazes on the trees, I honestly would have no idea where to go. Can you see the path anywhere? This path here at the end is no joke. Oh. Oh, just wait. Just wait. Man, what a pleasant surprise. Well, it's absolutely gorgeous out here, but it's 3:30. It's gonna get dark around 4:45. I'm gonna get back because I don't know how much daylight I'm gonna have, and I'm an idiot and forgot to bring my headlamp with me. So, in case you're wondering, doesn't get old. This is Slip City over here, man. If I didn't have these trekking poles, I would have busted my butt quite a few times by now. It looks like I can see the path again. We made it. There's the old girl. Coming back to the truck, I discovered that my battery bank is not working. So trying to charge my camera, I can't do it, which means I can't film, which means instead of cutting the adventure off halfway through, I guess I'm just gonna go home for the night and then come back and camp tomorrow. That way, you guys get the full adventure. You know, there is a benefit to having to go back home sometimes in the middle of an adventure. And there she is, right there. That's the benefit. Okay, so I'm driving down to the campground and I find two stray dogs. And they don't appear to have any owner. They don't have any collars. They're both very skinny. I have called animal control and they are coming. They're bringing an officer out now. I'm just trying to give them some crackers and hopefully keep them around. I can't put them in the car because my dog is not great with other dogs. But I'll keep you updated. Hi there, come here. Come here, sweetie. Hey there, sweetie girl. Yes. Oh, did I make some friends? Did I make me some friends? Huh? Well, it's now been half an hour since I called 911. They said they were sending somebody out. I got them, tried to get them on these leashes. I happen to have two. I was pretty lucky. But I don't know how long they're gonna be. I guess I'll sit and wait for however long. The animal shelter just came, or the animal control, and now I smell like dog, and she can't stop smelling me, but hopefully those dogs will find a new home. Obviously, I'm like way out in the mountains. So the the dog situation took an hour and a half. All right, Bear, come on. Good girl. And here we are. This little spot that I kind of cleared off yesterday when I thought I was gonna camp here. Hands free now. Bear's on her lead, which means I'm free to set up. They've got a couple of bags and then a big old bundle of firewood. We got Bentleigh chewing on a stump down here. Bear. Hey. Anyway, so I am all set up. I'll show you from the other side. Come on, Bear. This way. From the other side, it looks kind of like this. I did not have a tie-off point right there, so I used a teeny little rock and pulled it out. A little trick I learned from my dad. But anyway, now that we're set up, I suppose me and Bentleigh are gonna go for a little walk. Hey, Bear, you wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? Okay, come on. Which way do we go, Bear? Wanna go that way? Alrighty, Bear. How was that walk, huh? Hey, Bear, you thirsty? Want some water? I think instead of making her sleep in 25 degrees, I should take her home. I think it's just too cold for her. I've got her jacket on her. I'm gonna drive her home and then I'm gonna come back. I won't be back until dark, most likely. Somebody's pooped. Not looking forward to that traffic jam on the way back. Looks like we're home. Back up, back up. Back. Good, gracious. Oh, hi guys. All right, folks, I'm back at the spot. Let's go back to the camp and get ourselves settled in for a nice night in the mountains. Alrighty, here we are. Bed. Good morning, folks. It's chilly. I am up and getting dressed. Gonna get my boots on and get a fire going. Now for the instant coffee. Oh, it's hot, but it's good. If you stick around, you might notice that I absolutely love pies. It looks a little toasty, but let's see if the char gives it a little flavor. That's not too bad. It tastes like a campfire. That's kind of nice. You guys want to see a magic trick? Watch this. Man, with this hat and this mask, I look like I'm about to hold up a saloon or something. This town ain't big enough for the both of us. Draw! Draw! Well, folks, I guess that's gonna be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I really appreciate you guys tuning on in. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did, and I'll see you in the next one.